we got the nose grooved out here. So I drew a line along here. So we're going to put a line across here for our eyes. And we may go up, but you can't come down farther with it. So that's why I always start low in case I want to move it up some. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We're using these diamond bit cutters here. Works really well. Change machines. This one's getting a little warm. So we got this lined out here. So we have to take this out in here so we get the bridge of the nose up here. And we'll take these down so they're not sticking out. They won't be sticking out as same as the nose here. So we're going to work on this now and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.